Hi there and welcome back. Hope you're good, enjoying yourself. And this time I'm looking at the Euro Yen. So Euro Yen is finally breaking and trying to go down. All right. So this daily chart in the last setup, we were expecting this daily, you know, correction to break and continue to keep dragging lower. So we got a breakout. Now let's simply look at the previous, setup, and then we're gonna talk about the euro dollar for the next, setup. Hi there and welcome back. So I'm looking at the Euro Yen. Euro Yen is in a daily correction. There we can see. So we are having that correction against the weekly bearish move. All right. If I'm gonna look at that bearish wave, which is just appearing over there, so correcting back to that wave. And the reason why Euro going deeper correction against the yen because of the Japan premier resigned, and investors were expecting that after his resigns we're gonna have more stimulus. And because of that, we are having weaknesses on the yen, and the equities are pushing higher. So specifically, the topics and the Nikkei index is pushing more higher, which is causing the weaknesses on the yen. Okay, so it has made almost its correction. Okay, and trying to break down. So you are simply looking for this. It is already trying to break down. All right. Also, they're going to be ECB decision next week, and you are looking for this breakout to continue. Correct first. Okay, so correct first and continue to keep dragging more lower all the way back to that low. Okay, if it is not correcting, okay, and pushing more higher, okay, and let this to push more higher, but price to stay within that daily correction on bigger time frame, okay, and then again look for this daily to break out to the downside. All right, let that to push for another higher. Yeah, hold that. Okay, and then again drop. So thank you very much. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye bye. All right, so we are having that breakout, that daily breakout. All right, so while that correction was appearing over there, all right, so we were expecting it to break out. Now let's look at the old charts. All right, so when the correction was appearing over there, we were expecting this to break down and give us next leg lower. All right, so we haven't got a breakout. Price was just keep pushing more higher. We were expecting breakout and continuation to the downside. All right, but price was just keep pushing more higher, correcting. All right, so there it was correcting and keep pushing more higher, keep climbing. Yeah, so it went into a daily correction or 4 hour 8-hour time frame correction, and then price find its top over there on the euro yen. All right, and then we got the breakout which we were expecting to happen. All right, in the last setup, as I said, price was trying to break out on the euro yen. Okay, and that was the breakout. And after that breakout, we got a correction. All right, and that correction finally broke out for more downside there. Okay, so we got a breakout and next wave is just appearing over there. So that was the previous charts. Okay, now what's next? So next is very much simple. You are looking for another 4-hour time frame correction over there, which is very much similar like that. All right, and once price going to complete that 4-hour time frame correction, you are simply looking another breakout like that for more downside on the euro yen. Okay, if I'm going to look at the updated chart, okay, their price is slowly pushing lower. So you are simply looking for another correction. All right, price can stay there within that correction for almost almost until 13th to 14th of September. All right, and yeah, you're not gonna get obviously breakout for this week because price hasn't completed that correction. So once price complete that correction, then look for breakout. All right, so that correction can almost correct back up to 50 or 61% of this previous impulsive move. All right, so that 4-hour time frame correction can extend up to 50 or 61% of this previous move. Okay, so when this short setup gonna be invalidated, okay, when price gonna close above that top, right? If price gonna close aggressively, okay, if price gonna close above that top aggressively, then it is going to invalidate the short setup. All right, so this is a continuation formation, continuation setup for more downside. So thank you, we'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye bye.